In today's video, you'll learn how to make a balloon octopus. It's one of the easiest balloon animals you can create. Start by inflating and tying a large 12-inch balloon, which will be the octopus's head. Then, take 4 long modeling balloons, also known as 260S, and fully inflate them. Once they're ready, grab them all together and twist them roughly in the middle. These will be the octopus's tentacles. Now it's time to connect the head to the tentacles. Simply use the end of the large balloon and wrap it tightly multiple times around the twisted section of the balloon tubes. Next, it's time to attach the eyes. Hold the tentacles together to make it easier to secure them. Wrap the balloons multiple times at the point where the head and tentacles meet. If you want to make eyes like the ones in the video, you'll find the instructions in the description. You'll also find other balloon eye variations there, perfect for different animals and more. Finally, gently bend the tentacles to give them a curved shape. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid popping the balloons. Your octopus is now complete. You can enhance it by adding bubbles. How do you make them? Of course, you'll find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future balloon lessons. Have fun!